633 Randy. This is a nice house for rent over in Bedford Heights. It's a large house, plenty of room, large yard, double car garage. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Let's go inside here. You have a nice little sitting room here, and it's beautiful. So you make an office, you can make a family room here, whatever you want. It goes out to the garage. You have a living room, dining room here. Right here's a dining room, living room, huge place. Very nice. It's a huge layout. So you can see, really nice. You have an awesome breakfast bar there. It's granite. There you go. Granite countertops. Washer and dryers here. It's a nice place. Nice flooring. The good thing about this house too is it has large bedrooms. So here's the bedrooms. Got recessed lighting. This is your master. It has a double closet, but it's very large. I think there used to be 2 bedrooms here, and they took out a wall, but it's a very huge master. So if you want a big bedroom, this is it. Here's your full bath. Here, it's got like a spa-like tiled shower. Here's your other bedroom. All right, then we have one other big bedroom. And by the way, there's a Jack and Jill bathroom here. It's a half bath. So let me see here. I'm not gonna so it's a Jack and Jill in here. There's no basement here, but it's a very big house. Here's the other bedroom. It's huge. You have a separate exit there. Nice big backyard. So you can see it's a very nice big open bedroom. So as you can see, this house is awesome. It's very nice. It is available. It's in Bedford Heights, Ohio. Come see it. Thanks.